All right, and I believe we're live. Hey, everybody, I'm Scott Finney, and I am about to show you the first three critical steps any business should take with their Google My Business profile. Why am I putting this together? Well, I help a lot of businesses attract customers online, and this is the very first steps, the where we start with everybody. We check to make sure that their Google My Business is set up correctly and optimized. So here are those first three steps so you can do that yourself. Of course, I'd love to talk to you about how I can help you out with everything else, but here's the way for you to get started right now. If you'd like any of the resources I'm referring to right now, then head to creatingvaluellc.com/quick. All right. And put your email in there. There's two reasons I'm doing this. I'll be continuing to add resources here as I get more people's interest drummed up here. And also, I am building an email list, and I'm also building reviews for a brand new location. So if you go to this creatingvaluellc.com and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a nice little leave a Google review. If you would be so kind as to click that after you learn something in this video and type a little something out there about what you did learn and how I helped you, I'd really appreciate it, and I'll continue to make more content like this. So, what is this? This series right here is a quick series on Google My Business and the first three critical steps for every business owner, where they start. Google My Business is how you rank on the first page of Google in the Google Map Pack. This is how you show Google extremely strong signals that you are a business in the real world that they should be connecting customers to. So there's three steps, and I'm making a video for each one of them. So head on over to creatingvaluellc.com, put in your email there, and I'll send them over to you immediately. Thanks a lot.